ready to transform those casual website visitors into paying customers. Let's build a killer landing page on Squarespace, step by step. First, log into your Squarespace account if you don't have one. Sign up for a free trial, links in the description. Once you're in, navigate to Pages in the left-hand menu. This is where all the magic happens. Click the plus icon to add a new page. Choose Page here now. Instead of a normal page, you're going to select the blank option to give yourself total freedom to create the perfect layout. Give your landing page a clear, descriptive title, something that reflects the offer you're promoting. Let's start building. Begin with a strong hero section. Add a bold headline that grabs attention and clearly states the main benefit. Below that, include a concise description of what your product or service offers, and most importantly, add a clear call to action button here, like get started now or download your free guide. Next, customize your section background. Choose a high-quality image or a vibrant color that complements your brand and enhances your message. Time to add some supportive content. Use Squarespace's content blocks to add things like social proof, benefits, or a countdown timer to create a sense of urgency. Remember that each section should push the viewer closer to clicking on your call to action button. Including a contact form can also be a great way to collect leads. Keep it simple. Just ask for the essentials like name and email. Crucially, check your landing page on mobile. Ensure it looks good and functions perfectly on smaller screens. Squarespace makes this easy. Finally, track your analytics. Squarespace provides built-in analytics tools so you can monitor your landing page's performance and make adjustments to improve your conversions.